Hello, hello, happy gentlemen and tasty woman. Here's a very quick tip for how to make a vegetarian non-gluten sandwich or gluten-free sandwich in case you have a bad bread and you don't have any access to good bread that doesn't have the high concentration of the gluten. The gluten itself is not the problem, the issue is the high concentration of gluten in the modern types of wheat and the bread. So this is a very tasty and gluten-free sandwich, bread-free. In this case it's going to be vegetarian with cheese. It's just the same as other ingredients for the sandwich but without bread. The cabbage leaves, the hard and sweet cabbage leaves, they are very good for the sandwiches. It's going to be the outer layer. Inside is going to be a little bit of cheese, just one slice of cheese, tortilla chips which have corn doesn't have gluten, so a little bit of onion. In case you have the onion sliced in very thin slices, is even better. And salad leaves for the other side. So it's going to be like a wrap and sandwich, and it's definitely more cleaner. And in case you have a little bit of slice of bread, of black bread that doesn't have any gluten or any gluten-free bread, you can also add the bread inside of here. You can add any sauce, a little bit of butter. The main idea and the main trick is to use the leaves of vegetables, the strong and hard leaves, instead of the bread, and wrap the cheese or the ham or whatever you have or whatever you want inside of the sandwich. The taste is gonna come from the whatever inside, and the sandwich is like that. You can hold it in the hand a little bit more easier than the sandwich with bread. It's more like a wrap than the sandwich. But that's it. It's a vegetarian, bread-free, gluten-free, and simple carb-free sandwich. The vegetables, they have carbs, but complex carbs. They take more time to break down. It's definitely as tasty as the regular sandwich, or maybe even better because it's more moist and it's more easier to chew. It makes this sound when you chew it. And because the layer of the cheese is the second one that comes, it springs onto the tongue, and the flavor of the cheese is definitely there. Then comes the onion and then the tortilla. So if you layer the sandwich in multiple ways, you can design your own flavor in case you want to come the flavor in steps. For cheese, then onion, then maybe you have a little bit of let's say mustard, or let's say ketchup, or let's say mayonnaise, or a little bit of butter in the core. And this sandwich is also very clean to eat for the hands. Another bite. And the hands stay clean. Nothing. Completely nothing. As long as the leaves are clean. So the best thing for this type of sandwiches is cabbage leaves and strong salad leaves. I hope you like it. Make your own experiment. Try it out. Enjoy the food. Thank you for supporting the Creative Commons movement. Have fun.
बुर्जी पण जरा
येतात इकडे दहीहंडीला त्यांची 2-3 टीम येतात पेनवरून दहीहंडी करायला. Di ba? Yan na.